Now, because of him, I don't choose to the act. You see the two of them? I love the two of them. They are so special. How many of you know that once I put on African Magic, I won't lie to you, for my DSTV, I don't watch African Magic more. But once I tune and I see him and I see Lateef, I go watch and finish. But once they know me, I don't lie, I go come out. The only thing I watch on my DSTV is sports and news because I'm an activist. Hello? Hello? Ladies and gentlemen, can you put your hands together for yourself? Put that baby on vibration.
I have a lot to say about that, and that's why I am here today. I am kind of
Cameraman, how are you?
Celebrate with them.
Fresh boy. Yeah. Volunteer of photographer, yeah. How many of you stay in Ojodu? How many of you know Ojodu Vega? There's one photographer they call Alayo. Baba and Yayanti. Tó bá yà yín báyìí, ẹ wọ fìlà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà yìí o. Tó bá ti yà yín, pow! Tó máa wọ́ọ̀ṣì ẹ̀ báyìí. Ẹ máa ní grey ẹ̀ ní wọ́n fìlà. Please, can we celebrate them one more time? Let's celebrate them. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to Lagos if this is your first time. Lagos is a good place to be. They collect one guy phone for computer village. He no, now the SIM card they have. My joke is for mature people. Brother, find somewhere to sit down and sponsor the baby vessel. Maybe say I won't do this work na condition. I'm a graduate from Yabatek. Believing the future will be great with that thing I study. But now, see my life outside. One day I asked myself,